What's up, guys? Just want to talk about Mystery Ranch's 3-zip design in general. So we're not trying to be specific about the one-day assault pack, but it's just a good example I can use. So most traditional backpacks, ever since the day when we were going to school, college, etc., those are typically the not a full type, but a clamshell typical backpack. So when we come across a 3-zip design like this, it changes things. So we're just going to see how this kind of zipper design affects the way that you pack up a bag. Okay, so before we begin, I would like to say that these zippers are really good. They're YKK zippers, and I believe they're gauge 10 or number 10. So they're really big and they're rugged. Okay. Mystery Ranch also includes like a weather guard, which is this rubber strip that runs parallel, runs right on top of the zipper. Okay. So it helps to keep dust and moisture out. Okay. All right, let's begin. So to open the bag, there's a couple of ways. Some people can just rip open the top. Okay. And don't freak out, it's not going to destroy the bag. A lot of people do it. It's really up to you. You can open it up just one zipper at a time in case you just had something on the side that you wanted. So it's really up to you. So I'm just going to keep it, let's say half open for right now. And they also include these little tabs, as you see here, these little pull tabs. So when you're closing the zip, so it makes it a little easier. Sometimes the zippers might start digging into this rain guard. So mine's actually starting to come off here, but not a big deal. All right, so let's check out the main compartment. Okay, let's see what that's got in there. Now I just quickly prepared this, so let's see what this 18-liter pack can put, or what can it get in there. So, all right. Now, if you pack the right way, you'll be able to maximize and get the most out of your bag. Okay. All right. So if you are coming from a typical clamshell type of backpack, yeah, it's going to get a little bit of getting used to. You're going to have to change up your style a little bit. I'm sorry, but I totally forgot about the top pocket on this guy. So why did I want to mention him? I thought it was something kind of impressive, but here's a top pocket. And although it's shallow, okay, I can fit my Maxpedition EDC organizer, so that's not bad. But like I said, it's shallow. So let's say right now I have a couple items in here, some alcohol, spray, gel, whatever. So if I had this slung in front of me, just reaching for my wallet or whatever, and I just got a slight angle, this stuff can slip out. So it's not, maybe if it was, the pocket was more shaped downwards, but I get it. It's just a small thing where I encountered where items could fall out easily. So within that pocket is another one here. So I usually separate. So the more important stuff here, wallet, or if you got stuff that might get scratched easily, separate it. Okay. So put these items back in here. So that's pretty good. We have the EDC organizer in there and some alcohol, whatever, gel, spray. Okay. Trying to hurry this up. All right, let's go back to the bag, which is what the whole point was. I got backtracked. All right, so we open up the bag, right down the middle. All right, so you see what we got starting from the top. Okay, so a little toiletry bag that I put together. So I put like maybe a bar of soap, toothbrush, that kind of stuff, Q-tips, whatever. Toiletry bag. You can do whatever you want with it. This is another one of the same product, but different color. This color is actually called Lizard. And it's actually kind of an interesting color, same thing. I just needed something to pack out the bag. Here come the, I like these a lot. The Mr. Ranazoid cell, so this is a good color. It goes with my 3-day pack. Okay. What's good about this product is that it's in medium size. It's a perfect, well, like a packing. I don't want to say packing cube because it's not square, but it's a good packing pouch. Same thing with this one. Same size, different color, but a nice beautiful color that matches with the bag. Okay, so that goes there. Okay, so now the bag is completely empty. Sorry, I lied. A little notebook there. I didn't put the computer in there right now. It's actually beside me. You could put like other items in there, like maybe kind of CCW thing if you want to. I haven't even touched this organization yet, so it's really good. So that's how I would load the bag. So, I mean, the 3-zip design, you're either gonna like it or you're gonna just be kind of confused by it, because it's kind of like a hybrid of both if you think about it. It takes kind of like a clamshell mixed with like a top-loading, backpack. So it's trying to do both at once. So, in fact, I mean, when I first saw it, I thought it was kind of odd at first too. So, but once you mess with it and you like it, you'll find that you can't go back to using like a clamshell or other designs. So there you go. That's how much I can get into my 18-liter Trizip design bag. So that's how I would load it sometimes, just like that, flat out on the floor, on the table in this case. So not bad, right? So thanks for watching, guys, and have a happy January. Peace out.